Have you ever wondered how something as massive as a cargo ship, weighing thousands of tons, floats effortlessly on water? The answer lies in the fascinating principle of buoyancy, a cornerstone of marine engineering and physics. Buoyancy is the upward force exerted by a fluid, such as water, that opposes the weight of an object placed in it. Discovered by the ancient Greek mathematician Archimedes, this principle explains why some objects float while others sink. When an object is placed in water, it displaces a volume of water equal to its own submerged volume. The weight of this displaced water determines the buoyant force. For an object to float, the upward buoyant force must be equal to or greater than the downward force of its weight. If the object's weight exceeds the buoyant force, it sinks. If they are balanced, it floats. In essence, a floating ship's weight is perfectly balanced by the weight of the water it displaces. Steel sinks in water, so how does a ship, made largely of steel, stay afloat? The answer lies in shape and density. A ship's hull is designed to displace a large volume of water, creating enough buoyant force to counteract its weight. This design ensures the overall density of the ship, including its hollow sections, is less than the density of water. Floating is just one part of the equation. A ship must also be stable. Stability comes from the careful design of the hull and the distribution of weight on board, ensuring the center of gravity remains below the center of buoyancy. If the center of gravity is too high, the ship may capsize. That's why ballast water and cargo placement are critical in marine engineering. Did you know that the largest cargo ships can carry over 200,000 tons of goods and still float? Or that submarines control their buoyancy by taking in or expelling water from their ballast tanks? These are practical applications of the same principle discovered by Archimedes thousands of years ago. The ability of ships to float is not magic, it's science and engineering at its finest. By understanding and applying the principle of buoyancy, marine engineers have made it possible for us to explore, trade, and connect across the world's oceans. So, the next time you see a ship gliding through the water, you'll know it's the balance between weight and buoyancy that keeps it afloat.